This is Project 7, Farm Market. You are the sales director for your local farmers market association. You are preparing reports from your Access database to help you analyze the revenue from last season. Task 1, group the records in the farmers market report by season and sort by location. Save the report. I'm going to right click on Farmers Market in my report section and open in Design View. Up on my Design Contextual tab in the Grouping and Totals command group, I'm going to select Group and Sort. I need to move my question out of the way here to get to the Group, Sort, and Total section. We're going to select Add a Group from here. From here, we're going to select Location. And then we can go ahead and save that. Go back to my question, mark as complete, and move to task number 2. On the rental revenue report, change the farmers market space rental label to booth rental and save the report. I'm going to right click on rental revenue report and open that in Design View. Then in this section here, page header, we want to select the control for farmer market space rental. And we're just going to click to select that and update that to booth rental. And then up on my quick access toolbar, I'm going to hit save, mark that as completed, and move to task 3. Modify the position control margins of the North Park, Valley Park, and West Lake fields in the detail section of the rental revenue report to narrow and save the report. Alright, so here we have our detail section. Make sure we're on our rental revenue report that we still have open. And we're going to select North Park. I can hold down my control key and select Valley Park and do the same for West Lake. There we go. Then I'm going to go up to the Arrange Contextual tab. And in my position group, I'm going to select Control Margins and I'm going to set that to narrow. I can then hit Save on my quick access toolbar and mark as completed. Task number 4, modify the font color of the headers North Park, Valley Park, and West Lake of the rental revenue report to standard color blue and save the report. So this time I want to select in the page header section, we want North Park, holding down Control, Valley Park, and West Lake. And then with your property sheet open, want to go to the Format tab and we're going to select, let me see, I'm going to move my question out of the way again. Here we have 4 color. You want to hit the three dots and we want standard blue, which is here. I can close out of my property sheet. I'm going to bring my question back up and hit save on my quick access. Mark that as completed and move to our final task of this exam. Number 5, change the orientation of the rental revenue report to landscape and save the change. I'm going to go up to my page setup contextual tab. Make sure you're still on your rental revenue report page, and we can change to landscape from here. Mark as completed. Let me save that. And then we can go ahead and grade our project. All right, looks like I have to go back to task 1, so we'll retry that. Group the records in the farmers market report by season and sort by location. Save the report. All right, let's go back to farmers market, which I still have open. Oh, we want to group on, I didn't even finish the question. Group on season. And we want to add a sort of location. All right, there we go. Let me save that. Okay, there we go. 5 green checks. Hit next. That was our final project, so it's going to bring us to our summary, and we can go ahead and finish test to bring us to our grading.